Welcome to this Forex tutorial where I'm going to show you the top 5 things you can do to get familiar with a platform. These 5 things can be applied to any Forex broker, but in this case I'll be using the MT4 platform as so many Forex brokers have this. On the screen you can see I have the Aussie dollar chart open. The first thing you want to do is work out the types of orders each broker, or in your case your broker, will allow. I'm going to click new order here, like so, and you can see the type of orders that pop up. So this is the order ticket in MT4, and if I left click on type, you can see I've got market or pending order. Now the thing is, with a market execution you can just buy or sell at market. That's pretty straightforward, but if I go to pending order, then you'll notice that another handful of options become available, such as buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So those are very important depending on whether you're a breakout trader or you like to buy weakness and sell strength. So there's some very handy options there. You'll also want to notice the volume and the price increments that you can change those volume to. And you'll notice within the symbol drop down you can access every product from the symbol drop down menu there. You can also put stop loss and take profit, and the good thing is you can put a comment on each trade such that when you view your trading statements and each trade you've got a bit of an idea of why you made that trade or why you exited the trade. One other thing you might notice is that the number of decimal places is automatically popped in there. So in this case, and with pretty much every FX pair, you'll notice that it trades to 5 decimal places. Pretty much every Forex broker in the world trades to 5 decimal places, and of course if you're on the dollar yen, you'll notice that it's only to 3 decimal places because of the pricing structure of the dollar yen there. So let's go and place an order for one full contract on the Aussie dollar, and we're going to buy at market. So I've got my volume set. I'm not having a stop loss or take profit at this point in time, but you'll want to play around with those. You could put a comment in, and this is a market execution, so we'll click on buy at market. And you'll notice that order sits straight down here in my terminal window under the trade tab, letting me know that I am long one full contract of the Aussie dollar, and my profit and loss is updating accordingly. Once you have done that, you'll want to place market orders on a number of the instruments that you are looking to trade, but also you'll want to place some limit orders on various instruments as well. So place limit to buy, limit to sell, and place some pending orders as well as far as buy stop and sell stop. Get familiar with all the order tickets and how they executed into the market. So that was the second point of what you need to get used to. It's placing as many trades as you can via the demo trading platform. The third thing you want to make sure you're familiar with is the layout of the platform. Set up your trading station the way you like it. We have videos on how to set up your MT4 profiles and MT4 chart templates, so you want to make sure you know how to do that within MT4. Now within MT4 you want to make sure you know how to view chart symbols via the Market Watch window. Another trick is knowing that you can right click anywhere to bring up more options. So within the Market Watch window you can right click and then left click on symbols as an example to see the full list of trading symbols available. You also want to know how to access all the symbols on any trading platform. The fourth thing you want to know how to do is add technical indicators. You can see in the navigator window down the left here, you have access to all the various indicators. So what you want to do is have a play around with the various indicators and place a few of them on there. As you can see, there's quite a few indicators on this chart, but if I was to left click and drag a moving average, and let's put this one at 75 because I know I'm not using that, click on OK, and then the indicator is applied on the chart. There's also a number of other MT4 tutorials on how to place indicators on the chart as well. Lastly, the fifth thing you want to know how to do on any platform is how to access your account history and all your previous trades. You must check these at the end of each trading day, as you're responsible for any errors and you want to get on top of them as soon as possible. Within MT4 you can see the account history tab in the terminal window at the bottom of the screen right here. Click on this tab to bring up all your recent trades. Now of course you can toggle this window higher and lower to see all your recent trades and to see how you've actually performed. Another great thing within MT4 is to right click and you can actually download your full history and save a detailed report of your history and play around with it as an Excel file. So as you can see, there aren't a million things you need to test on a demo trading platform, but if you cover these 5 basics, you should have about 85% of everything covered. Just as a test here, I might as well just close that order so you can see how to do that as well. Right click and then close order. Very seamless within MT4. If you like this video, then please click the thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to the channel for some other useful trading videos. Thank you.